Guys, it's like today I'm going to be showing you how to make stickers.
I
at your
meant
house.
how to make
Let's get started.
DIY
I'm going to show you
stickers.
what do you need. You need clear tape, scissors, parchment paper or baking paper, and a piece of drawing. So I drew a quick smiley face you could print too. So like that. So first thing first, you gotta cut your thing that you drew or printed out. So you could keep some extra white paper around the edges if you want to, but I don't like to. So I did a small smiley face with no extra. And if it's something written or you can't really get into these corners like a flower, the petals, you can't get really close to them, no problem, just cut a circle and like that. You can have fun by cutting it. So you're going to cut a piece of parchment paper that will fit the smiley and will have some extra parchment paper as you cut it. Okay. So the parchment paper has two sides. There's a side right here and a side right here. So one of the sides is going to be covered by parchment paper. If the back side is covered, then everything will go wrong. So just choose one side. So just choose one side. Cover the whole side that you chose. It's okay if you have some extra tape on the edges and stuff. And then after this, you're going to place your piece of drawing or piece of paper on the parchment paper, the place you want to put a part that has parchment paper on it. So I'm just going to put it. After you put it, you need to cover it with tape again, so you could seal the sticker in. I love sealed stickers. I'm gonna show you what I did. I did many. By many, I mean many. And then, after you place on the sticker, as you can see, now it's sealed, it's shiny, but this side has nothing, only parchment paper. Now, you're going to cut the sticker, but you need to keep some extra parchment paper, because the parchment paper is going to act like when you want to peel it. And if there's nothing excess parts, so if you cut more parchment paper, the more you have some tape. So that's why you need to cut some parchment paper around the edges. That's it. You have your own sticker. You created it. But if you want to use it, you wonder how's there parchment paper on the back. You just peel it off and stick it on a piece of paper. I love this. It's so creative. You could sit doing it. You have your smiley face. That's it. I'm going to show you some of my collections. So yesterday, actually, I wanted to film this video, and I wanted to do this. I did this Winnie the Pooh. I actually drew it by watercolors, as you can see, because I didn't really cut the tape and the parchment paper in the same place. Sometimes the tape is outside and stuff, and the parchment paper won't stick. So yeah, I'm going to show you one more. Actually, so by this way you could actually fix your stickers. So that day I used my favorite stickers on to put on my phone case, but I didn't really want to, so I removed them. So I was really like gently removing them, and it worked. But I was like, they're curved. They were like rolled up, and if you put them, they're just rolled up again, rolling up again. So I was like, what should I do? And then I said I can use it to make a new sticker. So I did the same thing. I added parchment paper and then tape and then the picture, and I covered it. And it's here. It's covered in the parchment paper on the back whenever I want to use it. And yeah. So guys, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with your friends. And bye!